What's karak in Dubai is chai in India, and if there is one thing all Emiratis and Indians love, it would be this beverage. And no wonder then, this Indian Emirati friend have joined hands to serve the home country Dubai with the most authentic tea flavors. Welcome to Project Chaiwala. Chai break, a phenomenon that is common in all corporate jobs. But little did Justin and Ahmad know that these chai breaks would eventually lead to a successful business idea. The duo came up with a restaurant called Project Chaiwala that serves different varieties of chai in Dubai.
Being brought up with chai, daily breakfast was chai toast. So it's just basically a toast with cheese and chai. That's exactly how I grew up for literally years.
When you wake up from your naps when we were kids, there would be chai in the house, you'd have some snacks. So it was that tea time was a big thing. And then when we started getting older and you were hanging out with friends, it was like, hey, let's grab a chai somewhere.
Justin, who was born Indian, took his Emirati friend Ahmad to India, and it's this love for chai that encouraged them to import the authentic chai experience to Dubai.
We conceptualized it in theory in Dubai in our tea breaks, and then we went on a trip to India, right? And along the way, it's just chaiwala after chaiwala you encounter. So we noticed that it was a big component of the actual concept, right? So we just decided to call it Project Chaiwala.
Coming from a consulting background, we always have projects. So it just made sense. It was like a project for us that became like a bigger thing.
It became reality.
Yeah.
Project Chaiwala is an urban chai point in Dubai that opened in September 2018.
We did events for almost a year and a half, and to see whether people would relate to 12, 15 dirham cup of chai in Dubai. And it was obviously extremely successful for us, and people understood the chaiwala experience.
Every time we had to face a challenge, it was like a learning experience. It's just the way I think we looked at it. We just kept trying to learn as much as we could.
And as part of the learning, both the friends visited the tea gardens of India to source the authentic flavors.
So we went to Darjeeling. We started off at the foothills, we went to Kolkata, which is kind of like the base of where tea trading used to happen. We met a lot of people in the industry who told us about where to go. Then we went to Darjeeling itself, where you kind of go up the mountains and you have different tea gardens along the way.
And in the tea states, it's just literally me and him in the middle of pitch black, acres of tea.
Today, Project Chaiwala serves over many varieties of teas and has over 3 outlets in all of Dubai. But Justin and Ahmad clearly have bigger plans.
So in every main neighborhood we'll have a chaiwala, starting with the GCC, UAE first, and then expanding to the GCC, and then taking that experience abroad, right? Because we want a homegrown concept to be number one, exported. Second of all, we want people to even across the board to experience what the chaiwala experience actually is. So basically your neighborhood chaiwala, that's our main focus.
If you're going to have a cup of tea every day because it's part of your life, have a good quality cup of tea.
We wish the duo all the best in their endeavors and hope that their love to serve chai continues.